Sakubona mfundi, unjani? Ngiyakwamukela kusifundo 3. So, in this lesson, let's get into this particular verb, ukuvakatsha. So what does it mean? What does the verb ukuvakatsha mean? It means to visit, right? Remember in the previous lesson I was saying, izolo bengivakatshele umngani wami. Yesterday I had visited my friend. All right. So today let's get into this aspect. We want to talk about having a visitor or visitors in your home. All right. And I'm going to teach you some of the things you can say to make them feel comfortable, to offer them something and things like that. All right. So first of all, we've said ukuvakatsha means to visit. What about this word? Isivakatshi. What do you think that one means? Isivakatshi? Isivakatshi is a visitor. Okay. So if isivakatshi is a visitor, how about 2 visitors, 3 visitors? How do you think we refer to them? Izivakatshi. So I always say this in Ndebele. Most of the words that start with isi, their plural starts with izi. Okay. Isilwane, a lion. Izilwane, lions. Istulo, a chair. Izitulo, chairs. Okay. So we've got a similar word right there. Isivakatshi. Okay. So isivakatshi is the visitor. Right. You want to say this, or I want you to listen to this. Ngilesivakatshi endlini namuhla. What do you think that means? Ngilesivakatshi endlini namuhla. I have a visitor in the house today. Is that what you said? What about this? Ngilezivakatshi endlini namuhla. Ngilezivakatshi. I have visitors in the house today. Right. Remember, you can either say in the house or you can say at home. All right. So how are you going to say I have a visitor at home? Ngilesivakatshi ngekhaya. All right. So let me teach you something right there. Remember the other time I was saying this, that you can say emzini wami to mean in my home. All right. So this is how it is. If you are the parent or it's your home, it's your house, okay? You can say ngilesivakatshi emzini wami. I have a visitor in my home, okay? But if it's you're a child or you're in a parent's home, you can only say ngekhaya. So ngekhaya is universal. Everyone can say ngilesivakatshi ngekhaya, to say I have a visitor at home, okay? Including the landlord and the landlady or the parent. You also can say that. But if you only the owner of the home can say ngilesivakatshi emzini wami. All right. I hope it makes sense. Hope it's clear. Okay. So now that is you talking, describing that you have a visitor. And then I want you to be able to tell someone, to say you have a visitor in the house. How should you say that? You want to say to someone, you have a visitor in the house. Ulesivakatshi endlini. That's how you inform someone else. Okay? How then do you say you have visitors in the house? Ulezivakatshi endlini. Great. Now I want to talk about someone else. I want to say Mthandazo has a visitor in the house. How do you think you say that? Mthandazo has a visitor in the house. Umthandazo ulesivakatshi endlini. Mthandazo has visitors in the house. Umthandazo ulezivakatshi endlini. That's how you say it. Okay. So I hope you're curious to know what Mthandazo means, since I asked you to be curious about Ndebele names and any words that you meet. So Mthandazo means prayer. Okay, the name means prayer. And there's a female version to it, which is Nomthandazo. All right. Beautiful names there. So now let's get into the things that you can say to your visitor. You want them to feel at home, you want to offer them stuff, you want to tell them that you're happy to see them. Okay, so the first one, you already know it, so I want you to say it. I want you to say, I welcome you to my house. What did you say? Ngiyakwamukela endlini yami. Okay. Ngiyakwamukela endlini yami. You can even say, I welcome you home. How do you say that? Ngiyakwamukela ngekhaya. Okay, great. Next, here is something you can say to your visitor. Ngiyathaba ukukubona. What do you think that means? Ngiyathaba ukukubona. I'm happy to see you. Okay? Right. Here's another one. Ngingakupha itiye. Ngingakupha itiye. What does that mean? Can I give you tea? Alright? How about ngingakupha okunathwayo? So ngingakupha okunathwayo means, can I give you something to drink? Alright? Listen to this one. Ngingakupha okudliwayo. What do you think it means? Ngingakupha okudliwayo. Can I give you something to eat? Alright. So in Ndebele, if you want to ask the question, can I? You are going to start with nginga. Nginga, just like we just did. Ngingakupha okudliwayo. Okay, can I give you something to eat? Ngingasukuma. Can I stand up? Ngingahamba. Can I go? Ngingaphenduka. Can I come back? Okay, that's how you ask the question. Right. So you can always use other items. For example, ngingakupha ama biscuits. Can I give you biscuits? Ngingakupha isitshwala. Can I give you pap? All right. Great. Then another way to talk to your visitor would be, kahle ngikuphathele this. Here's an example. Kahle ngikuphathele ukudla. Let me bring you some food. Kahle ngikuphathele. Okay. So kahle ngikuphathele ukudla. Let me bring you some food. How would you say, let me bring you some water? Kahle ngikuphathele amanzi. Okay? Kahle ngikuphathele amanzi. You may want to bring another blanket for your visitor. Here is what you're going to say. Kahle ngikuphathele enye ingubo. Kahle ngikuphathele enye ingubo. All right. Visitors sometimes forget their toothbrushes, and so you may want to say, let me bring you a toothbrush. You're going to say, kahle ngikuphathele ini? Isixubo. Kahle ngikuphathele isixubo. Right? I hope it makes sense. I hope you're following. I hope you're learning something, and I hope you are using what I'm teaching you to actually communicate in Ndebele. Hope you are speaking to someone, you are bothering someone to say, hey, can I practice my Ndebele with you? All right, and then you go ahead and talk and keep learning. You really, really need to practice it for you to be able to master the language. All right, so 3 sentences, 3 affirmations. How do you say I speak Ndebele? Mina ngiyakhuluma isiNdebele. I can write Ndebele. Mina ngiyakwazi ukubhala isiNdebele. And how about I know how to read Ndebele? Mina ngiyakwazi ukubhala isiNdebele. Isn't it? Okay, great. So kahle ngikuphe umsebenzi wangekhaya. What is umsebenzi wangekhaya? Homework, right? So I want you to write 5 sentences in Ndebele. You are going to be saying, let me bring you this in all the sentences. Okay? So number 1, you're going to say, let me bring you a chair. Number 2, water. Number 3, pap. Number 4, meat. And 5, something to drink. Okay, so please go ahead and write that assignment, umsebenzi wangekhaya, and submit it to me. Okay. Usale kuhle, ngizakubona kusifundo esilandelayo. Bye bye.